Close your eyes, imagine this. You're sitting at your desk drowning in textbooks, highlighters bleeding onto pages, your brain screaming for mercy. You've done everything right. Notes, rereading, all-nighters. But your grades? Stagnant. Your energy? Gone. Your time? Stolen. What if I told you there's a way to cut your study time in half? A method so forbidden, so ruthlessly efficient, it feels like cheating fate itself. Today, I'll show you the secret schools bury because it threatens their entire system. But first, let's talk about why you've been set up to fail. Think about it. Who benefits when you study for hours? The companies selling you planners, caffeine pills, and productivity apps. The institutions that profit from your desperation. They've convinced you that suffering equals success. That burnout is a badge of honor. But here's the truth they'll never admit. Traditional revision is a scam. Rereading notes, highlighting textbooks, it's all theater. A performance of productivity that leaves you exhausted and empty. You've been lied to. And the worst part, you're not alone. Millions of students are trapped in this cycle, wasting years of their lives. There's a reason this method isn't taught in classrooms. A reason your teachers dismiss it as too easy, because once you learn it, you'll never need their approval again. Let me ask you, what if you could study for just 90 minutes a day and retain more than you ever did in 8 hours? What if you could walk into exams knowing you'll ace them, without the sleepless nights? The answer isn't a shortcut. It's not a hack. It's a fundamental shift in how you think about learning. The secret is simple, called active recall. Now, if terms like active recall or spaced repetition sound unfamiliar, don't panic. I've already broken down the science, the studies, and the step-by-step methods in a video you'll find linked above. But for now, let's focus on how you weaponize this knowledge. Instead of passively rereading notes, you force your brain to fight for the answer. Flashcards, practice tests. Even staring at a blank page and writing down everything you remember, it's uncomfortable. It's brutal. And it works like nothing you've ever tried. Pair it with spaced repetition, reviewing material only when you're about to forget it, and you'll hack your brain's deepest wiring. Suddenly, 1 hour of focused, intentional pain beats 10 hours of mindless grinding. This isn't studying. This is a rebellion. I know what you're thinking. If this is real, why isn't everyone doing it? Because the system doesn't want you to win. It wants you obedient, tired, dependent. But you're different. You're here. You've seen behind the curtain. Here's your choice. Keep playing their game, or burn the rulebook. Start today. Grab a blank sheet of paper, close your textbook, and make your brain work for the answers. This isn't just about grades, it's about taking back your time, your energy, your life. The revolution starts now, and it starts with you. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay valuable and keep growing.